bend the light through a prism, we could send the colors up.
Let's test that.
I'm in. Let's make the sky our canvas.
The rainbow mystery. Let's explore light.
Awesome! Let's test that. Yes, this is so cool.
All right, science squad. Ever wonder how a rainbow appears after a storm?
Yeah.
When sunlight passes through a tiny raindrop.
White light is made of many colors.
We call them the spectrum.
Let's make our own rainbow. Whoa, it's actually working. Look at those colors. If I tilt the flashlight, that's so cool. It's like a mini sky right on the table. Whoa, it works. It's so pretty.
Check out that color spread. Perfect art.
I'm getting this on video.
Light bends or refracts when it passes through water.
And each color bends differently.
Exactly. That's how a simple drop can unfold a whole rainbow. So rainbows are nature's disco lights.
That's awesome. Good one, Kai.
Science is fun. Funkiest.
You made it so cute. Thanks. It's the full set. Freud bibs. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Rainbow colors in one perfect swoosh. All ready for our art board.
Violet bends most, red bends least.
Perfect track for our channel.
Every raindrop acts like a mini prism.
That's why we see arcs in the sky. It feels like magic.
It's science and beauty together.
Did you know rainbows always appear opposite the sun?
So turn your back to the sun to find one.
Wow, double rainbow.
Science just got prettier.
That's the rainbow secret.
We did it! Yay!
Brilliant work, everyone.
Please, stay curious.
Keep exploring.
And remember, science makes colors shine.
Thanks for hanging out with us.
See you next
Don't
time.
miss our floating experiment.
It's gonna be super cool.
Stay curious, everyone. Bye-bye.